The HPN Black Series Cap Press heat transfer machine is manufactured around the idea that the best quality components will produce the most durable and most accurate machine. The HPN Black Series is unmatched in quality and craftsmanship in its class. Let's take a look at some of the features that set this heat press apart. The first thing you'll notice about the HPN Black Series is its durable build. Strengthened steel and aluminum, as well as reinforced connection points at the highest areas of wear and tear, make this cap press capable of all heavy-duty applications. The powerful clamp mechanism ensures increased leverage and torque with minimal effort while providing complete end-to-end pressure and heating. The 3.5 by 5.5 inch heat platen is specially coated to ensure easy cleanup in the event that transfer materials stick to the heating element. It is also capable of transferring your designs onto most adult-sized caps. The pressure on the HPN Black Series cap press can be adjusted by using the pressure adjustment knob found on the top of the machine. Turn it clockwise to increase the pressure and counterclockwise to decrease the pressure. The HPN Black Series also features a cap hold device that keeps your cap in place during application. The HPN Black Series also boasts a top-of-the-line computer gauge with capacitive touchscreen buttons. When the heat press is turned on, the digital computer gauge will display the real-time temperature. Press the Set button to access the P1 setting to set the temperature. Press the Set button again to access the P2 setting to set the time. P3 sets the temperature scale, P4 adjusts the temperature compensation, and P5 sets the alarm time. The digital computer gauge will also keep count of every press. Protection from electrical surges is important with any heat press, and the HPN Black Series offers you twice the protection with dual internal fuses. Should an electrical surge cause the fuse to lose integrity, simply enable the second fuse. This second fuse allows you to keep going without missing a beat. All HPN Black Series heat presses go through extensive quality control procedures before they're shipped, and each unit comes with a 1-year parts and service warranty from the original date of purchase. The HPN Black Series cap press is capable of completing a variety of heat transfer applications, including digitally printed heat transfers, screen printed transfers, rhinestones, heat transfer vinyl, embroidery patches, direct-to-garment transfers, sublimation, and much more. Whether you own a business, are looking to start a business, or just enjoy heat pressing as a hobby, we're confident that the HPN Black Series cap press will excel at all your heat press applications.